Welcome all to the anatomy class. Today we'll deal again regarding the heart. So we have started the introduction class on circulatory system. Now few features about heart, how its structure, size, weight of heart, and what are the organs which are surrounding the heart. This is a dummy of a human body. How similar will be the human body, in which it is cut into half and opened and shown into what is inside, shown inside. Okay, I hope it's clear. In this, you are able to see is the lungs. I will take the lungs open. So one side of the lungs, which is the left side of the lungs. So we have two lungs, right side and left side. There's a heart, acute heart, which is the size of the fist. This is 10 centimeter long, and in females the weight of the heart is around 225 gram. The weight is 225 gram. It's quite a little heavier in men. If you see, this is fixed correctly in between the two lungs. This space is known as mediastinum. The space in between the two lungs, in where the heart is situated, is known as mediastinum. If you see, a cavity is there. The space in between the two lungs where the heart is situated is known as the mediastinum. Heart is situated in the thoracic cavity. The cavity in which the lungs above the abdominal cavity is known as the thoracic cavity. So the heart, which is situated in the thoracic cavity in the place of a mediastinum, where it is the space between the right and left lung. If you see, this is a muscular organ, does not have a bone. It's a hollow muscular organ. Hollow means it have cavities inside. A few chambers are present inside. And in the heart, there is an apex of the heart, which is a corner. This apex is slightly tilted left side. That's why commonly we people tell that heart is on the left side, because apex is slightly tilted towards the left side, but actually it's sitting in the middle, but slightly the apex of the heart is tilted towards the left side. It can be stiffed like this. Yes. So if you see in detail, this heart, small heart, have four cavities. Four cavities. The four cavities of the heart is right atrium, which is on the right side. Upper is known as right atrium. Right ventricle. Down to the right atrium is right ventricle. If you see the left side, left atrium. Uppermost is the left atrium. Below is left ventricle. Left ventricle. There are four chambers of heart. The heart is a hollow muscular organ. There are four chambers, which is right atrium, right ventricle, left atrium, left ventricle. The right side of the heart mainly carries impure blood or deoxygenated blood or less oxygen blood, whereas left side carries pure blood or oxygenated blood to all the body parts. In the last video, I have described you how is the circulation of blood inside the heart. If you see, these are made up of muscles. These muscles, there are three layers of the muscles. That is endocardium, myocardium, pericardium. The outermost layer is known as pericardium. Middle is known as myocardium. Innermost layer, which is touching the blood, is known as endocardium. So there are three layers of muscles in the heart. Outermost pericardium, middle myocardium, innermost endocardium, which is attached to the blood, or blood is touching the endocardium. Then there are valves. There are AV valves and semilunar valves. AV means atrioventricular valves. As we told, the four chambers, upper two chambers are known as atrium. Below two chambers are known as ventricles. Upper two chambers, atrium, ventricles. So AV valve means atrioventricular valve, the valve which is in between the atrium and ventricle is known as atrioventricular valve. The valve which is in between the atrium and ventricle is known as atrioventricular valve. First we will see the right side. The right side, if you see, there are tricuspid valve. Tricuspid valve, which means there are three sets, cuspids, three cuspids, so tricuspid valve. On the left side we have bicuspid valve or mitral valve. Bicuspid or mitral valve. So there are two AV valves, tricuspid and bicuspid valve. Second valve is semilunar valve. As I told, semilunar valve is a half. We cut a ball into half, it's like a cup. So these are present in the pulmonary arteries as well as aorta. Pulmonary artery closure is done by a semilunar valves. So pulmonary valve or semilunar valve, both are same. Aortic valve or again a semilunar valve. So mainly in a heart we have 4 chambers, 4 valves. In these 4 valves, first valve is tricuspid valve, second one bicuspid valve or mitral valve. The third one is pulmonary valve, a semilunar valve. Aortic valve again is a semilunar valve. I hope it is clear. Next we will go to the functions of heart. The functions of heart, what can be? It is mainly pumping the blood to all the body parts. The main function of heart is pumping the blood to all. It acts as a motor. It's a water motor type which pumps blood. Once the blood is going into the heart, it pumps blood because of muscles reaction. It pumps blood. The muscles also have a 3 properties: autorhythmicity, conductivity and electricity, in which 3 properties is contracts. During the contraction, the blood goes to all the body parts. Next we will go to the organs which is associated with the heart. Which means if a heart is there situated here, above what is present, on the sides what is present, what is being seen the below. Okay, if you see the whole body, heart is situated in the mediastinum. Superior to there, you have great blood vessels. Great blood vessels, aorta, superior vena cava, all the blood vessels are also there, and pulmonary veins in the superior. If you see in the inferior, please see what is there inferior the heart. Inferior we have the diaphragm. This is abdominal cavity. Abdominal cavity and thoracic cavity is cut into, divided into a diaphragm. That diaphragm is there superior to the heart. Diaphragm is a muscular thick content which divides the thoracic cavity as well as abdominal cavity. So inferiorly, the apex of the heart rests above the diaphragm. Next is laterally. Laterally means both the sides. Both the sides of the heart we have lungs. Left lung as well as left lung and right lung. Lateral sides we have 2 lungs. Then comes anteriorly. Anterior means in front. So in the anterior we have ribs. The lungs, heart, everything is inside covered with the ribs. If you see, these are sides skirted ribs. We have the rib bones which covers the lungs as well as heart. Back side is the posterior. The posterior you will be able to, back of the heart will be able to see the backbone or vertebral column, touching the vertebral column. I hope you understand and enjoyed this class. Thank you. Any doubts, please clarify down in the YouTube. I will revert you back. Thank you.